Rate of change is a bounded oscillator that measures a stock's price change, speed, or momentum. 252 days are commonly used for one business year calculation, 126 for one semester, 63 for one quarter, and 21 for 1 month. For its calculation, in this case we have the example of 1 month rate of change, or 21 days, is equal to the current close minus the close from 21 days ago divided by the close from 20 days ago, and we multiply this by 100, so instead of having percentage terms we have 100 bases. Great. So let's go back into our Python PyCharm IDE so that we can study rate of change with greater detail. Excellent. So here we are back within our Python PyCharm IDE. In this lecture, we'll be working within rate of change code file. If you have any questions about its setup, please go back to section 1, Stock Technical Analysis Data lecture, where all of that explained with greater detail. So, as these are meant to be standalone type of files, first we import our packages, NumPy as MP, Pandas as PD, Matplotlib as PLT, and Talib as TA. Then we do our corresponding data reading by default. SPY, which is the data frame we are creating with our data, equals PD or Pandas read CSV. We give the corresponding path to our corresponding data file, which is found right here within our previously created data directory, and it includes CSV or comma separated values, index column as date, and we parse those dates as true. Next, we have our corresponding rate of change calculation with its technical indicator, and after that the chart. So we have SPY, rate of change column, and we calculate it with TA or our Talib rate of change ROC, and we provide MP as array, close prices, and the time period is 21. Again, in this specific case, we are calculating a monthly type of rate of change for daily data, but you can adjust this parameter according to your needs. Then we have our corresponding technical indicator chart. Fig1, AX for axis equals PLT.subplots, two of them that share X as true. Then we have in the first chart at the 0th position, which is plot, close prices, and their legend located at the upper left. Then on the first position, which corresponds to the one below the original price chart, we have our plot of our ROC or our rate of change indicator colored in green to differentiate from the close prices. Then we add the legend located at the upper left. Then we have a superior title for our plot, which is SPY close prices and rate of change ROC of 21 days. Then we show the chart. So let's proceed to run the code. This is done by clicking the right button on the mouse and scrolling down into run rate of change. So we'll see our corresponding chart. We're going to make it as a full screen. Needs to be done manually because of the screencast right over here, here, and then here as well. Excellent. So we have the title, SPY close prices and rate of change ROC 21 days. At the top we have our close prices with this blue solid line. At the bottom we have our rate of change. This is a monthly rate of change calculated through 21 days. Both of them share the horizontal axis of dates from the beginning of 2016 to the beginning of 2017. And as we can see here, we have the corresponding rate of change colored in green, which corresponds to this technical indicator. Excellent. So let's close this chart and this other charts as well, which we'll study later on. So now that we finished studying our rate of change, it's time to continue with the next of our leading indicators, and in this case we'll be studying our relative strength index, and that is going to be our following objective.